So I'm just going to show a time lapse or something on this video. I don't know, man. My room is fucked up, messed up right now, and yeah, I'll be cleaning it up. And I just started this video while I've started already with some things, but yeah, I just feel like let's make a video about it. So you know what I'm saying. So I always see people making cleaning my room things on YouTube, you know what I'm saying. So I also said to myself, man, I didn't upload like for quite a long time now, and it's about time. I think I just have to make such a video. I don't know, man. It's gonna be dope. Let's get it. So guys, right now I just want to give you guys a quick 360 degrees of my room. It's really messed up, you know, like everything is fucked up, messed up, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, everything. I just cleaned this side, you know what I'm saying. I just cleaned this side and looks a bit much better now, you know what I'm saying. So I still have to deal with all of these stuff. So I got my boy here, he'll be helping me out and stuff. So I'm just so excited to see it transform, you know what I'm saying. So this is gonna be the last time you guys are seeing my room messed up like this, you know what I'm saying. So I don't know for how long it's gonna take, but very soon, very soon, I'm quite sure that this room is also going to get messed up again. And yeah, I'll be cleaning it. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure, man. I'm always lazy, you know what I'm saying. So this is just a full 360 degrees of it right now. I got my lady office here, you know what I'm saying. So I usually come and work my things right here to the PC, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, this is usually where I finish all my videos, do all the edits, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so I'll be putting a time lapse on the screen right now, and let's do some cleaning, man, you know what I'm saying. Why you stressing, yeah? Why you yeah, man. Oh. Why you stressing, yeah? Yo. So I'm about to update you guys on the room. Still not done yet. And yeah, this so far, what we've done, know what I'm saying. So we still got a lot to do, man, know what I'm saying. So I don't even know why I got this in my room. Shit, bro. Really now? Then this is sick. Is that a bed or better son? It's even far from a jumping castle. Yeah.
Hey!
Utaninya naona neti.
Fuck you.
Are you stressing?
Ziggler on spaghetti legs for the moment. Ziggler sent up over the top rope. Nasty landing by Dolph. Kofi looking to give chase. Look out behind Corbin. Kofi running into a wall. Oh, and a super kick. And now Corbin again with scepter in hand. Oh my goodness. And look what Ziggler has. Handcuffs in hand. Remember, Corbin promised at the start of the night tonight that he'd humiliate Kofi Kingston much like he did to Roman Reigns last week. That's what he handcuffed, ring posted, poured dog food all over him. King Corbin lived up to his word last week. Why would this week be any different? My goodness. We've seen the damage the scepter's done in the past. Destroyed a steel chair at one point. Again, an absolute despicable display by Corbin and Ziggler. Look who's arrived. Look who has arrived with a shadow behind. Dawson and Wilder, the reflection. And you can smell that. Dog food in hand. Reigns for Corbin. But that's the music of Roman Reigns, and here comes the big dog! What's Roman think he's gonna do? Fight all these guys? There's gonna be 10, 12 bodies out here. No way! Well, Roman Reigns was embarrassed. He was humiliated last week, and Roman Reigns has become unchained here tonight on SmackDown. And Reigns goes after Dawson, and now...
Tropa, mano, very well with the pick. Assim não é.
Haha, my God. This one is baby.
Original. Why are you stressing? Yeah. Why are you stressing? Why are you stressing? Ma, acho que eu... Ah, eu apanhei.
Oh, shit.
Wow. Undayo.
One is
Two.
fine.
Give me one.
Just if you brush your teeth.
Why are you stressing?
Oh, God.
Kami kasi kang hindi po.
Jerusalema ikalami ilondoloze uhambe nami tunashilana Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami.
So guys, it's actually the next day after I've cleaned my room, and yeah, so yesterday I didn't get like enough time to come wrap up the video and shit, so I just decided to do it today. And yeah, I was a bit tired, you know, and yeah, so I just slept waited for the next day, you know what I'm saying? So you're about to see the clean room in about 3, 2, 1. So right here I got this flippable table in case I just want some extra space. I can just flip it open like that and I got some room, you know what I'm saying? So when it's not in use it will be like that. So when I'm not using it, it will be like that, but when I want to use it, I'll just pop it up like that, then probably use it for something, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I got my cables running from here there and passes right here, comes this side. So here's the main source. This is my charger right here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is my workstation, you know. This is my YouTube channel, my second YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed to that channel, go subscribe right now. Skinny Will is just a YouTube logo right here. Just some normal cups, yeah. And then this is like pull out something, you know what I'm saying? So this is my mouth. I like it when it's here because I personally prefer this mouse more than the computer one, you know what I'm saying? So I prefer this one. I highly recommend it if you don't have it. Yeah, it's a bit faster, you know. And these are just some car brandings, you know what I'm saying? I like cars, so decided to keep those there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And this is just my chest, but this is the sweat I was just eating, you know what I'm saying? So if you like playing chess, you can come challenge me. Yeah, it's pretty much of the room. That's the end of the video, guys. I highly appreciate that you guys keep watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe right now. Turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi.